Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an E96 on a brand new 2019 RS4. Customers were bothered about the car being lifted and moved, or lifted and the wheels being taken off, or hit. So this comes with shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor, door protection and a Bluetooth tag as what we call ID recognition. How it works is very simple. When the customer leaves the vehicle, zap it, my system will come on, his system will obviously come on, and this little discreet blue LED which we've neatly fitted in the roof lining is giving us visual indication that there's an aftermarket alarm. When he comes back to the vehicle, what he basically does, if the Bluetooth tag is present, just purely disarm the system. Alternatively, where this is a product that's one of its own, where if there was a scenario where they cloned your key, it wasn't in a Faraday wallet, they come back and disarm it, they would only be able to disarm his alarm. My alarm will start to search for this tag, what we call authorization. So what we'll do is we'll arm it now and we'll place, this time, this tag in a Faraday wallet. So what we've ideally done, we've simulated someone's come, you haven't put it in the Faraday wallet, and they've grabbed the code and disarmed the system. So what we're doing now is we'll open the door, turn on the ignition. My system will now start going to a countdown procedure. If it doesn't see this tag, it will start to chirp as a countdown, and then it will trigger. There you go. There you go. So shortly it's going to trigger. There you go. So now if we turn off the ignition and take it out of the tag, like so, the system should disarm. There you go, we've taken it out and you've heard it chirp. Very straightforward, very effective. Ideally for people that have gone shopping, someone's grabbed their code, they've gone to disarm it, open the door, and this scenario happens. Also, should the battery run low or should you damage this tag, there is a pin code override procedure, and on the other side of this card there is a number that isn't disclosed to us. Customer will rub it out and see the code. The way you insert this code, there is a procedure in the manual which will explain how it's done, but it uses this button here. So let's just disarm the system because obviously it's rearmed itself. Let's just disarm it. Just open the door so it doesn't rearm. But on here where the LED is, there's a button with an LED. See? This is what you use should the battery run low in the tag and you can't disarm the system and you need to insert the pin code using this push button procedure. I hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. We're now going to do a video from the outside. Thank you, bye bye.